Okay, here's the midterm Danny Boy song, third line tutorial. Okay, we're starting in measure 11, and I'll show you here. This is measure 11 there. Okay, we have these three notes: open E string, open A string, but also an E on the D string. Okay, we start with that chord. We have, to start with, to make it easier, let's just put A major chord down. Okay, I like to put all three fingers down for the A major chord like this on the second, third, and fourth strings, all on the second fret. Okay, that's A major chord. To play now, for the strings that we play after that, we have the fifth string, the fourth string, and the first string. Okay, you can see these wiggling. Okay, that's measure 11, starts out with that, and then it goes like this. You're still holding that A chord while you do this. Again, then you pluck the second string, then the third string, if I can get a good sound on it. Okay, so again, 5, 4, and 1 together, then 2 and 3 separately. That's how measure 11 starts. Okay, there's our chord that we just played, C sharp and A. Okay, after that we have open D string and then C sharp on the fifth string after that. There we go. So, again, we're still holding that A. We let go, play open D string, fourth finger on fourth fret on the fifth string. Okay, there it is for C sharp. Now, something that you'll be happy that I did is I crossed out the next note after that, so all you have to worry about is the following three notes after that C sharp. After we play that C sharp, we just go back up to that high E. Okay, and we've done this before. So, if I were to play all of measure 11, it would sound like this. Here's my A chord. Yeah, okay. Okay, and then when I get to measure 12 there, that's where I ended. I'm playing again 5th fret, pinky on that first string, that bottom string, and then first fingers on the 2nd fret, 2nd string. Okay, and then I'm plucking those two strings as well as the 5th string. And that note, one I just plucked right there, is this chord for measure 12. Okay, and then we repeat what we've done before. 2 G sharps. First one played by itself. The second one we play with the open G, or open D string, sorry, open D string. Okay. Since our pinky was on 5th fret, there it is, was on 5th fret, we're just moving that third finger down to G sharp. We played an A, now we're going to G sharp, 2 G sharps. But the second one we'll play with the open D string. Okay, and then we go to, after that, F sharp, open E, C sharp. Hope you can see these okay. Okay, and I'm going to play all of measure 12 now. Let me see. Bum, bum, ba, da, da, da. Here we go. I just want you to be able to see it while they play it. That's why I'm doing this. So, okay, 5th fret. Here it is. Next measure goes to a B after that C sharp open B string, and it's played by itself. Okay, open B, then we jump to a low B. So again, here's the open B to low B. open B string, which is the second string. It's okay, there it is, right there. Then second fret on the 5th string. Both are B. Okay, B, B, pretty easy. Then we go, so we have a B, low B, C sharp. Remember, C's are all sharp. Okay, and then D sharp and E, but this E is played with the string 6E. So I'm going to show you those 4, 5 notes. Here we are. Okay, we played the open B to the low B, 4th fret. I use 3rd finger on for C sharp, and then go to the next string. There's D sharp, and then E, but E is played with the 6th string. So 6th and 4th string are going. Okay, again, that whole sequence. The B, and you'll see that after you pluck the 2 E's together, can you see it? No, you cannot. Woo, back up. After you play these 2 E's together, you play 3 E's by themselves, which is what I just did. Okay, again, you should, after you play that 1 E on the 4th string, but with the low E, then you forget the low E for the next 3. Okay, and that'll take you to line 4.